We're Byron and Jill, two hands-on people with big dreams. In 2024, we purchased 100 acres in southeast Queensland in an area called Mount Binga. We bought it on a total whim. Byron was nursing a damaged knee after a motocross accident and doing some heavy thinking. And Jill was dreaming of being closer to the mountains, the beach, her family, and riding some new mountain bike trails. We'd never heard of Mount Binga before, but the native trees, rolling hills and permanent dams seemed like the perfect place to build a new off-grid haven for us and our two boys. We're not new to building, but we are new to YouTube, so stay tuned as we get off-grid at Mount Binga. This summer we both took some time off work and were able to spend a good chunk of time at Mount Binga to build our shed. This was a huge next step in our off-grid journey, as we're hoping to move into the shed soon when we move here permanently. We brought along our two dogs, including Nino this time, invited some amazing family members to help and filmed as much of it as we could. And this is part one of our shed build. We hope you enjoy it.
Welcome back to Mount Binga. It's day one of the shed build. We've got a fair few people here. We've got my little brother, my dad, Jilly, and we've got Kerry and Janet, that's my dad. So we've got the full gang out today and we've got to make a start. So far the rain's staying away, and first steps are this morning we set it out. Jill and I set it out, got all the spots marked up, and second spot is Dad's going to do all the bolts in the floor. Tyson and I are going to start laying out some portals, so stay posted. There you are, slide him up. Down a bit. Down. Down, there you go.
Around about this time of the afternoon, I decided to take the boys for a walk, a swim and another walk to look at the trees. When we got back, it was already tools down. So our little building inspector had a bit of a look around while everyone else was kicking back and watching a bit of sport on the old telly. And that was day one.
Then you shall be a giant's hall with two absolute pearlers.
Good morning, Byron here. We're back at Gilby Off-Grid Living and we're on day 2. We got a fair bit done yesterday. Have a quick look. We got all the main portals up in the shed yesterday and we started the lean-to out the front. We'll finish that off this morning. Our plans are today to have all the roof sheets on and hopefully the back wall. That way tonight we can enjoy the spoils of being undercover.